Welcome to Mood and Habit Tracking in Reflectly.
Reflectly is a popular digital journal designed to help you build self-awareness and positivity. In this video, you'll learn how to use Reflectly's tools to easily track your mood and form positive habits. Let's walk through its built-in features so you can make the most out of your journaling experience.
Getting started with Reflectly.
Begin by downloading and installing the Reflectly app on your mobile device. After creating your account or logging in, you'll be greeted with a user-friendly home screen. From here, you can quickly access options for journal entries, mood tracking, and habit monitoring, all from one convenient dashboard.
Tracking your mood in Reflectly.
To track your mood, tap the Add Entry or plus icon. Reflectly will prompt you to select how you feel using emojis or mood labels, such as happy, stressed, or grateful. You can add context by typing about your day, helping you notice mood patterns and triggers over time.
Setting up and tracking habits.
Reflectly allows you to build new habits right alongside your mood tracking. Look for the Habits section or icon. Then add habits like drinking water, exercising, or meditating. Reflectly will prompt you daily, making it simple to record your progress and see your streaks grow.
Using Reflectly's insights and reminders.
Reflectly offers insights by displaying graphs and trends based on your mood and habit data. Explore these visual tools to spot improvements, challenges, or routines that impact your well-being. Enable daily reminders in your settings to stay consistent with both journaling and habit formation.
Tips for maximizing your Reflectly experience.
Be honest with your entries and check in daily, even if briefly. Reviewing weekly or monthly trends can help you adjust your habits and better manage your mood. Reflectly's approach makes self-care straightforward and automatic, supporting your journey towards a more mindful and positive lifestyle.